is no temperature on this tap. Good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. Look at my morning face and my morning voice, okay? Good morning, chat. You guys want me to prank Anton? You want me to throw water over him? This will do. There is no temperature on this tap. There is no temperature here. You just turn it on. That's all you can do. It's locked. Okay, I need to do it fast. I need to move fast. I will open the door really hard and throw water over it. Oh my god, you look possessed. Oh my god. Chad, it's everywhere.
Oh, word.
Oh. Wait, I brought you something nice. Sorry. Chad made me do it. He doesn't accept the rose, Chad.
I did not accept the rules. I'm actually a hangover as fuck.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Oh my god, it's on me.
Okay.
Guys, we just woke him up. Poor Anton.
It's fine. It's so hot, so it will be